so let's find out as Beverly Faye Conde and Reds de la Serna present the Class Wheel and Testament.
Good evening, everyone. They say that the true value of a journey isn't just in reaching the destination, but in the footprints we leave behind. For the past 5 years, the STHS class of 2026 has walked these halls, surviving the mountains of research, the late-night coffee sessions, and the equations that sometimes felt like they were written in a different language. But today, as we prepare to step into the next chapter of our lives, we realize we cannot take everything with us. Our experiences, our little quirks, and hard-earned skills belong to this community. Check, check. Check. Sorry.
Therefore, in the spirit of tradition and camaraderie, we present the batch 2026 Class Will and Testament. These aren't just words on paper. They are the handing of the torch from one generation of students to the next. From the mastery of the basketball court to the quiet strength of a humble heart, we officially bequeath our legacy to those who will follow in our footsteps.
To our successors, guard these gifts well. To our teachers and parents, witness the character we have built. Without further ado, here are the bequeathals of the STEM gentlemen.
James Daniel T. Alconera bequeaths his cooking skills to Dwayne Gerald Alconera.
Giancarlo D. Angeles leaves his badminton skills to Prince Paulo Dalumpines, his humble personality to jaded Matthew Acabado, and his jolly personality to Devon Dave Ortega.
Kian Vincent M. Atalo passes on his kind, humble, and loyal attitude to Vanessa Orcadas.
John Reagan C. Atilano bequeaths his joy and goodness to John Marcel Gomez.
Nino V. Barriga leaves a friendly and joyful personality to Emmanuel Fortuna. Punctuality and responsibility to Rachel Villeneuve, and a friendly and responsible nature to Sean Austin Sadaya.
John Paul S. Berdin bequeaths his art skills to John Emmanuel Payofilin and his responsible, initiative-driven personality to Dwayne Grande.
Mark Leander M. Villas passes leadership to jaded Matthew Acabado, knowledge and catechesis to Moira Dumotoy, and public speaking skills to Sean Imari Balanza.
Charles Darwin D. Cayabyab bequeaths basketball skills to Zedric Sequando, a humble personality to Mariel Nator, and sepak takraw skills to Kyle Aguilion.
Ed Lloyd S. Cazañas leaves kindness to Brel Derek Sanyana, patience to Arcy Dumarao, and humility to Princess Lyrish Gervasio.
John Elden Lewis and Corpus bequeaths chess skills to Kyle Aguilion, his humble personality to Jason Ray Nigna, and sportsmanship to Richard Maris.
John Michael C. Dampi passes his basketball and billiard skills to Jairus Palumitan.
Mark Joel R. De La Cruz leaves his sportsmanship and helpful, kind, joyful personality to Prince Paulo Dalumpines.
Reds Y. De La Serna bequeaths leadership to jaded Matthew Acabado, volleyball skills to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna, and mathematical skills to Moira Lynette Dumopoy.
Rain Ethan Gerard E. Dumopoy passes his cheerful personality to his sister, Ray Lynette Moira Dumopoy. Music and guitar skills to Mathea Manzano, and his cuteness to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna.
Also, Samuel F. Eladen bequeaths humbleness and positivity to R.C. Dumarao and kindness to Gabriel Blanco.
Luis Joral E. Erespe leaves basketball skills to Robert Bakugan and Rani Villanus, and a friendly personality to Sian Austin Sadaya.
Rexel Ray H. Camarato bequeaths a friendly, joyful, and helpful personality to Ashley Nicole Balanza and a responsible personality to Richard Barris.
Marco Antonio M. Fortuna passes his discipline and talent in volleyball to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna and Joshua Likina.
John Lloyd A. Jimena leaves humbleness to Sean Austin Sedaya, a good personality to Shannon Goldiana, and sense of responsibility to Robert Bakugan.
Marvin James D. Gumawa bequeaths a friendly, helpful nature to Deo Clyde Tinapao, discipline, innovation, and resilience to Eliza May Nava, and sepak takraw skills to Richard Maris.
John Lloyd M. Hansinal passes gentlemanly values to Devin Dave Ortega, humbleness to Camille and Valdeflor, and athleticism to Yad Benjamin F. Catalino.
Jerick C. Misterio bequeaths his loyalty, dancing skills, and kindness to Mackenzie Kata.
Frank Judan P. Nasepo leaves kindness to Devin Dave Ortega, painting skills to April Rose Siva, and artistic talent to Cherish Rian Galaza.
Harold F. Nagrit passes athletic skills to Joshua Pernrikina, a friendly personality to Robert Bakugan, and a joyful personality to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna.
Ernest Gabriel P. Omagta bequeaths basketball skills to Robert Bakugan and a humble attitude to Sean Austin Sedaya and Daniel Aries Villanis.
Sean Zidrick R. Osorio leaves chess skills to John Lawrence Castro, and a friendly personality to Juliana Lau.
Isle Jensen H. Padasas passes his humble personality to Daniel Aris Villanis, kindness to J. Alvin Namida, and hardworking nature to Rani Villanis.
Lance Ruben B. Pampag bequeaths a humble personality to Marcel Gomez and his personality to Donald Nasepo.
Mark Justin E. Kubing leaves perseverance, diligence, and willingness to change for the better to Ray Lynette Moira Dumopoy.
Remark G. Rendon passes his drawing skills to J. Alvin Nemiata, patience to Erwin Samuel M. Policar, and his dark psychology mindset or nonchalant personality to Cheris Rian Galiasa.
John Mark Q. Sadaya bequeaths dancing skills to Jaded Matthew Habado, sportsmanship to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna, and a joyful and responsible personality to J. Alvin Nanita.
John Paul Q. Sadaya passes his service as an altar server to J. Alvin Nemiata, setting skills in volleyball to Devin Dave Ortega, and a joyful personality to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna.
Christian Terence S. Seduco leaves dedication to public speaking to Ray Lynette Dumopoy and Mathea Manzano. Altar server dedication to J. Alvin Mamiata and Cherish Rian Galaza, and positivity to Kurt Emmanuel Fortuna.
Nazar John L. Senanin bequeaths basketball skills to Rani Villanus, working skills to Christine May Manankil, and volleyball skills to Devin Dave Ortega.
Jemerson S. Sansida passes basketball skills to Robert Bakugan, kindness to Rani Villeneuve, and sports leadership to Sean Austin Sadaya.
Mark Anthony Davidson F. Siva bequeaths dancing skills and kindness to Divine Dexa Siva.
Alexis James and Timon leaves dancing skills to Mackenzie Kata, joy in musical service to Glory May Ningas and Janelle Tazara, and a friendly personality to Melchi Ann Selva.
Patrick James and Villamor bequeaths his sportsmanship to Daniel Aris Villanus and his humbleness to Sian Austin Sadaya.
Mac Gavin S. Villeneuve passes basketball skills to Daniel Aris Villeneuve, a kind and humble personality to Sean Austin Sadaya, and a kind and helpful personality to Cherish Rian Galiaza.
And now, we turn to the STEM ladies.
If the gentleman provided the strength, this young woman provided the soul and the spark of our class, from the grace of their dance to the brilliance of their creative minds. They have proven that a STEM student is not just about logic and data, but also passion and heart. As they prepare to step into the world, they leave behind these pieces of their journey to the sisters they leave behind. Here are the legacies of the STEM ladies.
Eliza Jane A. Amaga bequeaths her dancing skills to Matea Manzano, her sense of responsibility to Jaded Matthew Acabado, and her confidence to Moira Lynette Dumopoy.
Heather R. Angelada passes on her table tennis skills to Samantha Payofet.
Jessa May Asenjo leaves her friendly personality to Orville James Abiera and her dancing skills to Samantha Keisha and Payofet.
Jamie Marie G. Pakugan bequeaths her dancing skills to Samantha Keisha and Payofet. Her joyful and friendly personality to Brel Derek Sanyana, and her academic perseverance and growth mindset to Robert Bakugan.
Joy E. Balaan passes her creative mindset to Chloe Marie Palkiran, her sportsmanship to Samantha Keisha Ann, and her active service in the Theresian Choir to Glory May Ningas.
Maria Cristo May Angel D. Palete bequeaths her loving personality to Glory May Ningas, her patience to Eliza Nava, and her jolly personality to Divine Dexa Siva.
Janibel F. Cintura leaves her punctuality to Jaded Matthew Acabado, her dancing skills to Samantha Keisha Ann Payofilin, and her scouting skills to Orville James A. Abiera.
Beverly Faye T. Conda passes her singing and dancing skills to Gabriel Blanco, her badminton skills to Matea Manzano, and her active service and leadership in the Theresian Youth Choir to Glory Ninas.
Princess Nicole D. Diana bequeaths her demure elegance to Janelle Tezara, her humble spirit to Ray Lynette Moira Dumopoy, and her kind heart to R.C. Dumarao.
Quinceañera Estiana leaves her kind and friendly personality to Glory Ninas, and her fooling ideas and designing to Gwen Lagaw.
Tiena Saskia Q. Diana passes her responsibility as a librarian to Marquise Rendon, and her friendly personality to R.C. Dumarao, and her helpful personality to Thea Yang Yuen Orfilia.
Divine Grace E. Dotimas bequeaths her patience and compassion to Ray Lynette Moira Dumopoy, her happy personality to Brel Sanyana, and her courage and humility to Maria Dudina Alion.
Chazelle K. A. Flores passes her discipline, resilience, and ambition to Christian Joy T. Nyar, and her creativity, innovation, and bold ideas to Mathea Manzano.
Nia Elaine V. Macabebe bequeaths her love for words to Althea Mayor, her adoration for fashion to Sean Balanza, and her gentleness to Christian Joy Niar.
Charmaine Marie E. Palma leaves her wisdom and patience to Chloe Marie Palkiran, her humility, determination, and dancing skills to Denise Gwyneth Lagaw, and her courage, compassion, and integrity to Althea Mayor.
Hannah Joy D. Palkiran bequeaths her kindness to Glory May Nimas and her loyalty to Princess Lyrish Gerpasio.
Frances Marie A. Paredes passes her joyful personality to Glory May Ningas and problem-solving skills to Ray Lynette Moira Dumopoy, and her patience to Brian Derek Sanyana.
Luis Adrian G. Pida bequeaths her dancing and singing skills to Gabriel Blanco, her determination to Jumirana Ricardo, and her hobby in reading to Mallory Sevillano.
Honey Pearl T. Rubitel leaves her personality in the Infinity Club to Chloe Marie Palkiran, her guitar skills to Mathea Manzano, and her punctuality and honesty to Janelle Tizara.
Ashley L. Sakina bequeaths her singing skills as a choir member to Janelle Tizar, her responsibility as an Infinity Club officer to Michi Ann Selka, and her jolly personality to R.C. Dumaraho.
Jasmine Tanyales passes her drawing skills to Chloe Marie Palkiran, her book lover duty to Marquis Rendon, and her kindness to Chloe Marie Palkiran. We now move to the gentlemen representing a powerhouse mix of Humes and TVL. These young men have spent their years balancing the art of communication with the precision of technical skill. They are the future leaders, builders, and creators who understand that true strength lies in service and kindness. As they transition to their next wave in Devon, they leave behind these tokens of strength and craftsmanship.
John Gabriel Grande bequeaths kindness and singing to Pauline Lacuro.
John Gabriel Mijares passes kindness, faithfulness, and artistic skills to James Theodore Mijares.
Conrado Honolario leaves kindness and faithfulness to Daniel Aris Villeneuve and Rani Villeneuve.
Dexter Lau Grande bequeaths kindness to Glory May Ningas, Mary Chris Padesio, and Kylie Tiayo.
Angelo T. Rodolfa passes singing and running skills to Kylie Tiayo.
Jerome Lee Condino leaves kindness and solving skills to Mary Chris M. Padesio.
Renzo Fritz Navales bequeaths kindness, basketball skills, and his joker personality to John Rick Lacurum.
Raji De La Torre passes running and dancing skills to Mary Chris Padesio.
Kil M. Timon leaves basketball skills and kindness to Jairos Palumitan.
John Norman Paluhino bequeaths cooking skills to Joerena Recaido, wisdom and courage to Althea Mayor, and determination and dancing skills to Brian Derek Sanyana.
Geronimo S. Sadaya passes generosity, honesty, and his industrious SSC Senator role to Jadad Matthew Acabado, sportsmanship to Daniel Aris Villeneuve, and the humble personality to Sean Austin Sadaya.
Christian Dave P. Lucias bequeaths Rubik's Cube skills to Deo Clyde Tinapaw, a friendly and good personality to Althea Camille Fuentes, and honesty to Pauline Lacuro.
Benedict Bertolano leaves funny jokes, kindness, and generosity to Cherish, knowledge, leadership, and creativity to RC, and dancing, honesty, and communication skills to Apple.
Theo Joseph Luis Sunggaling passes shooting skills to Daniel Aris Villanus, and loyalty skills to Robert Bakugan.
Adaya Luigi bequeaths loyalty to Margarito Pilar, gentleness to Sean Grande, and humbleness to Mackenzie Cata.
Alejandro Tapia III leaves cooking and leadership skills to Althea Mayor and loyalty to Kendrick Heshua Elisterio.
Brent Michael E. Ilade bequeaths volleyball skills to Devon Dave Ortega.
Addison Josh Willie passes shooting skills to Shannon Gold. Loyalty to Robert Bakugan and humbleness to Sian Austin Sadaya.
Ken Jacob Ronquillo leaves loyalty to Robert Bakugan, humbleness to Shannon Goldiana, and gentleness to Joshua Rakima.
Stephen Castro bequeaths humbleness and chess skills to John Lawrence Castro.
Calvin Cabalejo bequeaths his lacrosse skills to Richard Maris, humble personality to Camille Valdeflor, and charm to Charles Harvey de Vera. And now, for the ladies, we see the beautiful fusion of the human spirit, full of empathy and eloquence, and the TVL drive. Defined by competence and creativity, these young women have navigated their studies with grace, proving that they can lead a discussion just as effectively as they can master a craft. They now offer these gifts of character and talent to the sisters who will follow in their lead.
Princess Connie Lopez bequeaths cooking skills to Orville James Abiera, loyalty to Rizel Clavines, and leadership to Sion Imari Balanza.
Riza A. Eka passes throwing skills to Ihad Benjamin Failana, and a friendly personality to Gabriel Blanco.
Charmaine Montialto leaves a kind-hearted, trustworthy, and artistic and creative nature to Keisha Asumi Valencia.
Hannah C. Mariano bequeaths loyalty to Kim Christine Pertor and cooking skills to Justin Plazuelo.
Angel Paulma passes kindness to Brena A. Villoso, a good personality to Camille Valdeflor, and understanding to Sharina Madison Kaintig.
Aya Sumbilon leaves volleyball skills to Janelle L. Teresa.
Tessa.
Tezara, confidence to Althea Camille, and singing skills to Gabriel Luis E. Blanco.
Christine May Luquias bequeaths a friendly personality to Althea Camille Fuentes and a caring personality to Christine May Mananquil.
Jaisa May A. Fercado passes cooking skills to Justin Plazuelo and dancing skills to Ashley Joy Lorioque.
Debbie Ann Grande leaves table tennis skills to Rowan Daryl Lioro, musical praise to Glory May Ningas and Janelle Tezara, and her hyper personality to Sian David Grande.
Shane Ayan Honorario bequeaths academic excellence to Willie Kyle P. Aguilion, dancing skills to Divine Dexa H. Siva, and a responsible manner to John Emmanuel Payofan.
Marian Joyce Zephyr passes dancing, friendly personality, and kindness to Mariel Nator.
Dayan R. Valia leaves friendliness, generosity, and kindness to Ana Rose Santolisas.
Tricia May Flores bequeaths linguistic skills, kindness, and loyalty to Brian Derek Sanyana.
Rian May Tamondes passes confidence and courage to Ashley Nicole and Balaras, passion for learning to R.C. Dumarao, and resilience and bravery to cherish Rian Calyasa.
Kayla Marie Noriaga lives generosity, honesty, and loyalty to Erwin Samuel Payofili.
Carla Hannah A. Fakari bequeaths generosity to Keisha Valencia, bravery and honesty to Glory May Ningas, and respect to Tyrone Bertol.
Carla Hannah Fakuri bequeaths generosity. Andrea Sunier, passes generosity to Glory May Ningas, honesty to Janelle Tezara, and creativity to Keisha Valencia.
Mary Jean P. Lopez leaves kindness to Divine Christine Timon, a soft-hearted to Tyrone Bertor, and generosity to Deo Clyde Tinapaw.
Maria Iramiel Aquino bequeaths valuable skills to Janelle Tezara, Samantha Keisha Ann Payofilin, and Sheila Bien Alion, and her badminton skills to Mathea M. Manzano.
Wesleyan Kelly De Guzman passes dancing and singing skills to Mateo Manzano, Jella Putong, and Sam Payofili.
Jazz Lay Sassy leaves a passion for art to Richard Maris, and kindness to Jason Ray Nigna. And so, the ink dries on the class will and testament of the STEM, UMS, and TVL graduates. These gifts, ranging from technical and athletic prowess to the quiet strength of kindness and loyalty, now belong to you, our successors.
To the underclassmen, you leave these halls in your capable hands. Treat these legacies not as burdens to carry, but as torches to light your own path. As we step out of these gates and into our futures, we take with us the memories, but we leave behind the very best of who we are.
This concludes the reading of the class will. To the class of 2026, may we always live up to the legacies we leave behind today. Thank you.